Hello, in this video I will show you how to use a feature that is present in almost all my plugins, the random sentence generator shortcodes, these. In this video I will show you how to use them. Okay, so I will show this on Usermatic. Let's check it out. Let's create a new importing rule. Delete this old one. Okay, so to use the random sentence generator, you should copy this shortcode, go to importing rule settings, create a new rule, and use the shortcode in the generated post content settings field. For the sake of simplicity, I will not use the old shortcodes and leave only the random sentence shortcode to understand exactly what the random sentence shortcode generates. Okay, so now we have to save settings, and right now we go to configure the random sentence shortcode. Let's start by using this simple shortcode structure. Here you can define what you want to get from the random sentence shortcode. Here you can define a list of sentences, one sentence per line, as you can see. The sentences can have variables. Variables are preceded by the percent sign. So shortcode variable is defined here. The defining of a variable is made like this: the variable name, arrow, like this, and the variable contents separated by semicolon. So content number 1, content number 2, and content number 3. As you can see, the content of the variables can also include shortcodes that the plugin will replace by item specific values. So let's say I want to use the item title in the shortcode variable value. I can do it like this: simply include item title here, or item description, or item content. It is easy to use. Okay, so now let's go ahead and check what we got if we run this shortcode example. All we have to do is refresh our blog, and as you can see, it is empty now, and the plugin generated some posts featuring today. So let's see what the plugin made. So featuring today, this sentence was chosen, and the shortcode was replaced by here is a story I heard today, which is this. Here is a story I heard today, item description. And the item description was replaced by this, the description of this post. Okay, let's go ahead and check another one. Viral news of the day. Let's check this. So as you can see in this example, this sentence was selected at random, and this is the latest news I heard about. And item title, this should be the same as the title. So Venezuela's Maduro is the same as the title. Okay, so now let's go ahead and demonstrate a more complicated example. This is one adjective noun sentence heading. As you can see, this is one adjective is here. This is the variable adjective. It can have values clever, interesting, smart, huge, astonishing, unbelievable, and so on. If I want, I can also include shortcodes here, like this, just for you to remember. Okay. Noun is this: plugin, WordPress plugin, item, ingredient, component, constituent. And sentence ending is defined by point, exclamation mark, or two exclamation marks. Okay, so let's generate some sentences using this shortcode now to demonstrate also its functionality. Let's delete the old posts and let's import new posts. Let's go ahead and refresh our blog. These plugins are interesting with two exclamation marks. This means that these nouns are adjective sentence ending. So these nouns are here. Plugin. Let's check on these plugins. Are interesting adjective. Here, adjective. So we should search for adjective, and here it is, interesting. And other values that got assigned for this random sentence generator, this is one clever add-on. This is one adjective, clever, noun, add-on, and sentence ending was two exclamation marks. As you can see, you can also use variables in the values for variables, so you can use adjective or very adjective. This will this will be replaced by very clever, very interesting, very smart, very astonishing, very huge, very unbelievable, and so on. So you can use this feature, and don't forget you can use also nested shortcodes in here. If you have other plugins installed, let's say Amazomatic, to import products from Amazon, you can use here in the random sentence generator the shortcodes generated by Amazomatic and so on. Okay, so this is all I wanted to tell you and wanted to teach you this time. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.